In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page for music artists. So open up your Facebook, click on this pages option, click on create, come on here, enter the page name. So I can just type in Yogi Music. Click on done, click on next. So you're gonna come on here and select what category best describes using music. So I'm gonna select musician. Click on create. So wait for it to load up. So you can see once you're done with this, you can just come on here and fill in all these required details. Once I don't click on the next, click on the next. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.